Page 12, We Three Kings of Orient are. 3/4 time. So we're counting to 3 and we're counting quarter notes, but there's no eighth notes in this. All half notes and quarter notes and dotted half notes. Hopefully that's not a problem. Starting out, we're in middle C position in both hands, and you start with the right hand 3. There's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And remember to connect all these notes. Then you're going to repeat that line and then go to page 13. I don't have a lot to point out here. It's just straightforward. You can read the notes and the rhythms, you're fine. If you're not, then you've gone too far too fast. Go back to the method book and learn to read the notes and the rhythms. That's where I teach that stuff. I don't really teach it in here. Now they have the phrasing, so you want to lift up between the phrases. So on page 12, when you get done with the line, lift up before you go on. Whether you repeat or not doesn't matter. You lift up a little early on the A. If you repeat, or if you go on, then it's either way, we'll want a little silence before you go on. And do that between each phrase throughout this. On page 13 in the second line, you're ending a phrase in the first measure. Then you lift up. And there they've got this connected, the D and the B and the D. And they've phrased that, and they're saying lift up. So there's a little silence between the D and the next note. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So there's some silence. So the first 3 measures of the second line is here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. And then you're off and running again. So between each phrase, lift up. So there's a little silence. So it's like taking a breath. So you learn it. And when you think you got it learned, then let's play it together slowly to check the notes and the rhythms. I'm going to give us 3 counts, so put your hands in middle C position. 1, ready, go. 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, repeat. 2. 3, off. There's a duet at the bottom of page 12. I'd like to play that, and you can play this piece, but we're going to speed it up a little bit. So you have to pay attention to what you're doing and get all the counting right, but you got to listen to what I'm doing so we stay together, because I can't stay with you. You got to stay with me. Now, again, I need you to go up an octave, so just pretend middle C's up here, and you play the whole thing up here. So I'm going to give us 3 counts. So put your hands in that middle C position, and here we go. I've sped this up quite a bit, so we're going to go about like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So that's how fast we're going to go, so be ready. 1, ready, go.